I don't like wasps or yellow jackets. Today we have a skid steer that will not start. Some sort of electrical issue. It's very strange.
Here is the spot where that terminal hit. Get that right there shorted out. We got a little cleaning to do. I think that's pretty good.